Download the files you'll be needing, the data sets. Then go to Google Sheet, click on blank spreadsheet. Here we are going to import the file just as we were shown. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step process. So this is still loading. Then go to file, click on import. Then a dialog box is going to be open, and here you click on upload to upload the files you've downloaded to your PC. Click on browse, and then choose the file from your computer. So I click on browse and choose the file. So here we are going to be choosing comma, and make sure you tick the green box is being ticked, and click on import data. So this data is going to be imported automatically, but you are going to find out that the first row, which is the horizontal row, is separated, is not separated. It actually has semicolon on it. So we are going to be separating this now. But first we are going to create a copy of this sheet. So we are going to have a copy of this sheet. So I just click on file, make a copy, and this is going to automatically have a copy of this spreadsheet, and click on make a copy. So now we have 2 copies of that data. So go back to the first sheet. So here we are going to be separating each of these. As you can see, there's semicolon. So you click on it, go to data, and go down here. You see split text to column. A drop down box is going to be appear. Then click on it. And let me just do that again. Data, split text to columns. A dialog box is going to appear. Click on it, click on semicolon, and voila, it has been separated to its columns, individual columns. So next we are going to be counting each rows to find out which is complete. Next we are going to create a variable, a column. We are going to name it value underscore cnt. So here we are going to be counting each rows. We are going to find out that some of them are not complete by this method. So just watch and see what I did here. So we are going to be using formula count A. We are using count A so it can count both text and numbers together, because if you use count, you are going to just be counting numbers. So you highlight the data we are going to be counting. We just highlight for this first row and click enter, and voila, it has counted the whole row. So we're going to do same for others, but then we're going to do it in a smart way. Just use the blue button, as you can see, and drag it down to fill, instead of writing the same formula for each. So just fill it, drag it down, and it's going to fill for all the rows, and just hit enter.
Like a this, like a that. Do you want the bit put it touch? Slow and fast, just give it to me once. Never on board. That would become a photo.
So if you notice, we have some that are 15 and some are 16, as you can see here. So what we are going to do next now is to use Ctrl F, click on your keyboard, Ctrl F, put in semicolon. So you find out that 5 data has semicolon. So what we are going to do, you are still going to repeat the same process for each, but look at how I'm going to do it now. So first of all, we add a cell to this one, to the one at column C. We add a cell to the right, so that when we separate column B, it's going to go to column C. So column C now is going to be column D. Hope you get the logic. So we are going to, we've added a column to the right of that, and we split it, and then using the same method, choose semicolon. This has been splitted, so you see it's now in column C. Just like that, we do the same for others. Insert a cell to the right using the one before the one you want to split, and then split the text to the column. So just like that, we are going to repeat it for the five of them. They are going to be highlighted in green. Yeah, so just take a look carefully at what I'm going to do and be able to do yours.
I'ma spin profiling. She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it. Like this, like that. Do you want the bit put it touch? Slow and fast. Just give it to me once. Mnie wombora. Da ubika mapoto. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the asshole. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, no, no. She's confident. I actually just play way too much. This toe is. I'ma spin profiling. She come in and compliment my closet. Fuck her on the floor like I don't give a fuck about it. Like this, like that. Do you want the bit put it touch? Slow and fast, just give it to me once. Mnie wombora, da ubika mapoto. Famous hoes lame, but they stay on my dick. Heard your new joint is embarrassing shit. You talk to the cops on some therapist shit. You act like you love this American shit. But really the truth is you're scared of the sex. Yeah, scared of the sex. The dash is busy, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing. Tell a bitch who fly. Step up in this bitch, I look too fly. Cop to the your shit on Ventura. Took a midnight swim in my Jula. Hating bitches block my medulla. I showed the bitch my pen, then I schooled her. Shot a essay them in my Jula. Don't cheat the Don, don't cheat the Dean, don't cheat Supreme, that's my ruler. Freaky little, sneaky little, creepy little whack bitch. Creeping on me, speaking on me, sleeping on me mattress. Now I got some pants to burn and bars to bend them backwards. It's time to wake them up, cause they been sleeping on the track list. Body so attractive, y'all be giving catfish. Log them off the web and every gangster's giving actress. Gangsters giving actress and all these fake activists. Leave me baffled, bewildered, relax a bit. Let me relax a bit, I think I need to cool it off. I put some pep up in my step and then I do it up. I shot my cutlery and hit my cooler up. Good morning. Yo voy a cantar esta canción information.